Smoking it, lazy old Billy. Smoking it, so new, so skinny. Be her name Cindy Billy, and she puts it over Jimmy. 'Cause Jimmy's always chorn, while Gilly is a snoring. Smoking it, lazy old Billy. Smoking it, so new, so skinny. She is like a daisy lazy, always acting kind of crazy. Still Jimmy is a sleeping, while Gilly is a sleeping. Smoking it, lazy old Billy. Smoking it, so new, so skinny. She's proud to be a bitch and to never work a stitch. Jimmy's sewing and a mowing while Gilly's on her phone. Smoking it, lazy old Billy. Smoking it, so new, so skinny. Hubby hasn't got a clue that his Gilly is a shrew. 'Cause Jimmy's chainsaw while Gilly's just a joy. Smoking it, lazy old Billy. Smoking it, so new, so skinny.
When you sailed onto the scene, I pegged you as a player, a callous cad and libertine, a practiced lady slayer. Yes, you always seemed a gent, but I would never take the bait, and I ignored your every hint to come aboard as your first mate. Now you've lured me on your skiff and launched us on a cruise for two. The tide has turned, I get your drift, I'll ride these waves with you. It was high time, I'm sidelined with you, but dang, I've been shanghaied by you, and now how I kowtow to you. Blimey, I'm stymied by you. I'm dizzy when busy with you, all rosy, cuddle cozy with you, and woozy, kinda boozy from you. Though sober, I'm over the moon for you. It's more than fundamental, so tender and so gentle, a pair this complemental is something transcendental. We'll muster a cluster of fun in full doff, a bulwark barnum, rambunctious and unctuous as one. Warning, till morning has come, I'll wangle a tango with you, explore some, door some with you, and fashion high passion with you when in bed.